Are you tired of spending a fortune on expensive beauty products that promise to give you radiant hair and flawless skin? Well, look no further. I am here to share with you some amazing budget-friendly, natural beauty hacks that will help you achieve the best natural skincare and hair goals you've always dreamed of. These hacks are not only effective, but they are also safe and gentle on your skin and hair, ensuring that you achieve the results you desire without any harmful side effects. Let's start with the best natural skincare hack: exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin is essential for removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores, leaving you with a fresh and glowing complexion. Instead of buying expensive exfoliating scrubs, why not make your own at home? All you need is some sugar or coffee grounds mixed with a little bit of coconut oil. Gently massage this mixture onto your face in circular motions and rinse off with warm water. You'll be amazed at how soft and smooth your skin feels after just one use. Another fantastic natural beauty hack for your skin is using honey as a face mask. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties and is great for treating acne-prone skin. Simply apply a thin layer of honey onto your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and admire the instant glow on your face. Not only will this mask help clear up any blemishes, but it will also moisturize and nourish your skin, giving you that healthy and radiant look. Now, let's move on to achieving luscious and shiny hair without breaking the bank. One of the best natural hair care hacks is using apple cider vinegar as a clarifying rinse. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and pour it over your hair after shampooing. Massage it into your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing off. This simple hack helps remove buildup from styling products and hard water, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and free from any residue. Another fantastic natural beauty hack for your hair is using coconut oil as a deep conditioning treatment. Warm up some coconut oil in a microwave or double boiler and apply it to your hair from roots to ends. Wrap your hair in a towel or shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before shampooing as usual. The coconut oil will penetrate deep into your hair shaft, moisturizing and nourishing it from within, resulting in silky smooth locks. With these budget-friendly and natural beauty hacks, achieving radiant hair and flawless skin has never been easier. Say goodbye to expensive beauty products that often contain harmful chemicals and hello to these simple yet effective hacks that will transform your skin and hair naturally. So go ahead and give them a try. Your wallet and your confidence will thank you. If you want more recipes and tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.